Matinding controversy po ang bumalot sa final day dito po sa ginaganap na FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Team Chess Championship 2025. Sa quarterfinals po kasi ng Blitz event, mayroon pong pangyayaring grabe. Ito po nangyari. Grabe ka-controversy talaga ito. No? Panoorin po natin yung video sa in-upload po ng Chess Base India. So, ganito po ang nangyari basically. Siguro, ikikwento ko habang pina-play natin yung video. So, nag-announce po ng starting time yung arbiter at in-start ni Vincent Keimer yung time niya. Nakita niyo po yun, no? So, in-start ni Vincent Keimer yung time niya, pero wala pa po si Nepo. Ayun. Wala din po si Hikaru. At wala pa yung ibang player. So basically, pagka-start po ng time ng nila tumakbo, wala pa yung mga player. Ang matindi dyan, blitz po ito. So ang time yan, 3 minutes lang. 3 plus 2. Syempre, malate ka lang na konti dyan. Malaking kakulangan na yun sa oras mo. At ayan nga, dumating si Nepo, 1 minuto na lang siya, pangiti-ngiti pa siya. Nagmamadali, samantalang si Hikaru natakbo. Ayan, natakbo si Hikaru. Nagubad na din siya ng kanyang suit. Nagmamadali, less than a minute si Hikaru kaya natakbo siya, nagmamadali. So ang ending po niyan, ganito nangyari dyan, no? Siguro ipapass forward na lang natin, no? Ayan, dito tayo. Ayan, resign si Hikaru, talo. Resign si Nepo, talo din. Ang malupit, si Alireza na medyo dumating naman ng maaga ng konti, talo din. Ayun, resign din. So, ang naging score po niyan, basically, natalo po ang team WR. Kasi, late silang dumating. Talo. Well, normal lang naman yan, di ba? Ganun talaga. Late kayong dumating Pero, eto kasi matindi yan Hindi natanggap ng WR yung pagkatalo nila na yan. Kaya, sila po ay nag-appeal. Nag-send po sila ng formal appeal. Kumbaga, reklamo po yun. Na ang gusto nilang mangyari is ma-void yung laban na yun at ulitin ulit yung laban. So, ang ending po niyan, nagkaroon ng diskusyon. So, ibig sabihin, madedelay yung tournament. So, eto si Anish Giri, panoorin nyo. Dito. Si Anish Giri.
If you would have won the first time, you would have won. Now you lost, now you appeal, and play again.
Big expert in law, Anish. Since when?
Now think about it.
Since when did you become so prominent in law?
No, think about it.
Fair play. Anish, future.
Fair play. Sabi niya. Alam niyo kasi, natalo kasi yung team nila Kaya sila nag-appeal. Pero parang sinasabi ni Anish Giri, pero kung di kayo natalo, di kayo mag-appeal, di ba? So, fair play lang tayo Nilaro nyo, natalo kayo. Dapat hindi kayo mag-appeal. No? Ngayon, ano ba yung basihan nila ng kanilang appeal? Ano ba yung pinaglalaban nila doon? So, basically, ito po yung pinaglalaban nila. Punta po tayo sa ito na lang yung appeals committee.
Yes.
And a very important appeal was made in the match between Germany and France and WR chess team.
Indeed.
And the decision was made to replay the entire match, like from match 1.
Yes, that's right.
So, ang naging desisyon, yung match 1 na nangyari, na na-late sila Hikaru, na-void. At ang ending is,
essentially, I can't talk about the appeals committee at all. What I can say is that we issued a judgment which should be on the FIDE site fairly soon.
Yes, I have that.
Ayan. Ito po kasi yung nila pinaglalaban. First appeal, okay? Committee, ayan sila John Spillman, malakas ang grandmaster yan Okay? A quarterfinal match between WR chess team and Germany and France teams, okay? The incident, the WR chess team arrived late for the round, okay? So, there are 2 issues na pinaglalaban nila. Number 1, the team are normally advised of the start of the round. But in that case, this was not done. So, hindi daw sila sinabihan kasi kailan mag-i-start. Tapos, the arbiter team started the round without all the players being present, which is not proper procedure din. Usually kasi, before the start of the round, lalo na pag blitz event, parang tinitingnan mo na yan kung ready. Kung wala pa yung mga players sa board. Usually ganun. So, ang verdict mo nila, this was a very difficult decision since it would seriously impact one of the teams. We felt that the better course was to have the match replayed. Both of the teams acted entirely correctly and we are, of course, returning the deposit. Ano yung deposit na sinasabi? Pag kasi mag-appeal ka, may bibigay kang perang deposit eh. Since guguluhin mo yung tournament, matidelay, payment yun. Pag hindi na-approve yung appeal mo, ibabalik sa yung pera mo. Hindi ko alam kung magkano dito. Usually, $1,000 yun eh. Anyway, yun po ang nangyari. So, from panalo ang Team Germany laban sa WR nung first game, na-void. Inulit yung laban. At ang ending, eto po yung ending ng kanilang laban. Ayan. So, analyze po natin. This is game number 1. Ako po, naulit na naman. Laban na naman sila. Tandaan, tinalo ni Sven nung unang laban. Pero na-reset. Another game po ito. Puti po si Ale Reza kay Sven Rasmus ulit. Roy Lopez ang nangyari. Binibilisan ko na lang para maipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga nangyari. Ayun, no? Yung linya na nagpapa 1 point down pero magkakaroon ng atake. So, tamang 1 point up po ang puti dito. Pero solid lang naman yan. Ayan, okay. Tingnan nyo to. Napanood ko to over the board eh. So, nagkapalit na ganyan. Parang equal na. Well, actually, lamang pa rin ng pawn, pero yan, halos equal na. And then dito, ang sitwasyon dito, 6 seconds na lang si Ale Reza, 11 pa si Sven Rasmus. And I think Sven Rasmus is in a must-win situation kasi ang score na po dyan is 3-2 eh. Parang ganyan po ang score dyan. So, kailangan niya manalo. Kaya dito po, kahit tabla na, pinilit niya po. Ayan pinilit niya. Pinipilit niya to eh. Nagtulak nagtulak na naman ayan pinilit niya to. And then, doon nag-blunder. Ayan, pagkaangat, boom, G4. And then, bagsak yung Reyna. So, bubaliktad niya yun. Nanalo. Ito pong si Ale Reza. And, ang matindi dyan, hindi lang yun. Nanalo din si Nepo. Bumaliktad. Tapos, si Icaro na natalo, natabla. Yun ang nangyari. At, etong Frederick Spain, natalo kay Duda. So, tapos si Gustinyok nanalo. Tapos, ang natalo lang board 4. Ang total score po niyan is 4.5 sa WR chess team at 1.5 lang po sa Germany. So, yun po ang nangyari bigla. At ang ending pa nga is tuluyan po nilang tinalo yan, lahat ng matches. Ayan pa yung second match na 4 na naman for the side of Team WR at 2 for Germany. So, nag-move on sa semifinals ang WR. At sa semifinals, nakalaban nila yung team nila Anish Giri na tinalo din ng WR. And eventually, nag-champion sila. Kalaban nila sa finals yung Kazakh team eh. Yun ang nangyari. Grabe. Grabe, no? Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganun sa totoo lang. Na kung saan, panalo na kayo na walang visa dahil late yung kalaban nyo. Kamot uli. Tama yung sinasabi ni Anish Giri din eh. Reklamo kayo kasi talo kayo. Pero malamang kung nanalo kayo, hindi naman kayo mag-appeal, di ba? Ganaganon sila ni Anish Giri. Fair play lang tayo, gumaganon si Anish Giri. Tapos sabi ni Nepo, sige, pwede ka na maging PD President. Pakinggan ulit natin yun gusto kong mapanood nyo ulit yun eh. Tingnan po ulit natin yung part na yun dito tayo kay Anish Giri. Ayan.
If you would have won the first time, you would have won. Now you lost, now you are in. I play again.
Big expert in law, Anish. Since when?
Now think about it.
Since when did you become so prominent in law?
Think about it. Fair play.
Anish, future FIDE president.
He's the most fair player.
Yeah.
Na-trigger si Anish eh. Alam niyo ba, kasi kung matalo din yung WR, eh hindi nila makakalaban WR, makakalaban nila yung kabilang team, mas madadalian din sila, Anish Kiri. Pero kasi, kung ako tatanungin nyo, grabe, no? May mali nga naman kasi talaga yung arbiter. Hindi niya sinabi ko ng start, tapos bigla na lang in-start, hindi niya tinawag. Pero kasi ang factor kasi doon, though this is Blitz, yung first game kasi, minsan kasi may opening ka na, alam mo na tinatago. O, tapos inilabas mo, itinira mo na sa game na yon. Tapos biglang void yun, tapos ulitin yung laro. Alam na ng kalaban mo yung ititira mo. Parang kumbaga may preview sila na, oy, yung pala ititira nila, baguhin ko nga sa susunod. O, kaya ang nangyari, nung sumunod na game, panalo na sila eh. Si Nepo, pati si Aleresa na natalo nung una eh. Di ba? Ewan ko pero ako, grabe yung pangyayari na yun. Ang nakakalungkot yun for the side of Germany sobra. Kasi wala naman silang ginawang mali eh. O, nung nag-start, nandun sila, nakaupo, naglaro lang sila, nanalo sila, and then, binoy yung laro. Parang ang weirds. Okay lang sana kung may ginawa silang mali eh. No? Parang nakakalungkot. Kayo guys, anong masasabi nyo dun? Anong masasabi nyo? Ako talagang nalulungkot ako for the side of Team Germany. Actually, may interview sila dito kay Vincent Keimer.
The right decision was already made, so it was more to explain that decision to me. I didn't really have any say in what was going to happen or how it was decided. I think it was just a very unpleasant situation for everyone. I mean, I understand that from the arbiter's point of view there was made some mistake, and basically after that you had to seriously disturb some team. That case it was for us, and of course we tried to give our best, fighting back and playing as if nothing had happened, but of course that's not easy, especially since we kind of won the match that was annulled.
Naanal kasi yung match eh. Panalo sila eh. So parang wala siyang magaw eh.
The decision whatsoever, because I really feel for Germany team, and it's not their fault that arbiters couldn't really, in 2025 they couldn't inform on the group chat of captains, so that basically it's a very easy thing to do, tell round starts at and I don't know, timestamp. And they didn't do this, and we were sure there is 7 to 10 minutes in between pairings are published and the round will start. It was yesterday, it was today as well. But actually when we came,
Oh, di ba? Anyway, walang ginawa yung Team Germany mali. Ang may problema, arbiter daw. For some reason, they started without telling them when is the starting time. Tapos, ini-start agad yung clock. Wala pa yung mga player. So, that's a bit sad for Team Germany, sobra. Pero, congratulations pa rin sa team ng WR for winning. Wala si Wesley, hindi naglaro, hindi ginamit. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi, ganito kasi system nila eh. Pag maganda yung laro ng team, hindi pinapalitan yung lineup. Puro panalo. Hindi natalo kahit isang match ang Team WR sa playoff or sa pinaka-knockout bracket. Kaya hindi na pinalaro si Wesley. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Abangan nyo po yung mga susunod na video hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Hindi po ako nakapag-live nung nakaraan pala dahil nag-out of town kaming buong pamilya. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita. God bless po mga kabiyahe. Bye-bye. Thank you sa support.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.